Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this lovely Ford B-Max 1 litre turbo EcoBoost Titanium. Now this vehicle has currently done 60,962 miles and it's finished in the colour frozen white. It does come very well maintained with full service history. It's a well looked after small family vehicle. It does sit nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you'll find 318 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,386 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your lovely cloth interior with the contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. You do have the rear sliding doors. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right you do have your cruise control. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption and remaining fuel left in your tank. You do have your Sony radio here in the centre of the dashboard. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio in the media section here. You do have USB connectivity as well as auxiliary input, Bluetooth, and there's a CD player as well. In the phone menu, you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving, allowing you to keep up to date with important calls. You can even import your phone book onto the system, making it very easy to make contact with people. You do have rear parking sensors to make reversing much easier. Below your radio, you'll find your automatic climate control, which is super easy to use. Underneath you have your start-stop system, 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary input, and there's also your 5-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.